is the Soundcore by Anker, and they are noise cancellation headphones. I do like these. It definitely help with the noise cancellation. There's normal mode, and then there's transparency mode. It's like noise cancellation with, you can still hear what's going on. So if you need to hear something that the captain is saying, you can do that. So here's how it looks, and it definitely helped with the noise cancellation. So I paired it with my phone, and I was able to pair it with my laptop if I need to. But so far, I like it. It definitely helps. Only thing I don't like is on the side here, you can change. On the side here, you can change modes, and so like when I would fall asleep, it would change the transparency, so I would start hearing the airplane air. So that's the only thing. So, if you tend to fall one way, you have to kind of position the button here to make sure it doesn't like trigger it. That's the only thing I would say about it. But it lasted a long time. I didn't really have to charge it on my flights. I think the time that it lasts is either like 18 hours, I think. But yeah, it lasted a long time. And what I got to help with not running the battery down on my phone, and because when you connect via Bluetooth, you run the risk of running your battery down. So there's an adapter where because it comes with a cord, and also the headphones came in this case. So I ended up turning this case into something else, where I put literally all of my cords. But it comes with this. This is what it comes with to charge it, and then it comes with a regular headphone jack cord, which I then plugged into this adapter, which is showing right now on the screen, which goes directly into my phone. So let's see. So this is what it looks like. So here is where you would charge. This is like the USB-C. You can charge it here. But if you don't want to use the Bluetooth mode, you plug it in here. And this is the adapter that I use. And then it goes into the phone. So then you're not running the risk of having to use Bluetooth.